Okay, guys. So yesterday, guys, we have seen like what exactly the Salesforce, what we are doing in the Salesforce, right? And what is the cloud computing, right? What is the cloud computing and what we are doing the cloud computing and how it's different from the traditional storage with the cloud computing storage, right? And after that, we have seen what exactly the Salesforce CRM, what is CRM, what we are doing the Salesforce CRM, right? And we have seen different thing as well, like what is like why Salesforce CRM is the number one CRM of the world, right? We have seen these things. Anyone, any doubt in these, all these things? Anyone, please tell me. Right? Anyone, any doubt, anything? No? Okay. So let me share my screen now. Right? Let me share my screen now and let's see. My screen visible, right? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Guys? Okay, so okay. So guys, let me know one thing. Let me know one thing. If you are doing any business, any sort of business you are doing, let's say, right? You are doing any kind of business. You are doing any kind of business. So what is the most important factor for you? What do you want from this business? Like let's say you have a one business, and so what you want? The most important things from this business.
Maximum sales.
Maximum sales, right? And you let's ultimately what you want is more profit, right? More profit,
Yes, correct.
right? Less input and more profit. That is your goal. More profit, right? And more profit. And how that more profit will come? More profit will come from the more sales, right? More sales. And how that sale will come? Sale will come from the good quality of marketing. Good quality of marketing, right? So guys, this all things are correlate: sales, marketing, and profit. The more good marketing you will do, the more sales you will get, right? And the more sales you will do, the more profit will be, right? And this is how this business will run, right? Okay, this is how business will run, right? The more profit, the more sales, and the more the good quality of marketing is, the more sale maybe, and the more sale is it, we will get the more profit. I have one question, guys. What your understanding regarding the marketing? What do you know regarding the marketing in simple language? If you want, if I will say like, please describe the marketing. What you know about the marketing? How you will describe? Anyone?
Spreading
Sir,
awareness regarding product.
Hmm? What are you saying?
mean, sir, where buyer and seller meet together for exchange of any services, any products. So
I'm
I
asking
think
for the
this is
marketing.
marketing.
I'm asking for the marketing in a simple language.
So, sir, um, to make your product aware from the audience, from the target audience. So I think this is
Right.
a kind of marketing.
Right. In simple language, if I want to explain it, I will say to just create the awareness of your product or your service, whatever you are selling. Right. That is called a marketing. And the way you are represent your product, and that is the like that is the image in the mind of the customer. Like maybe your product is not that much good, but the way you are representing, that will the image in the mind of the customer, right? So marketing is very important. You should need to do good marketing for run your business, right? So very first thing is the marketing. What about uh I have one more question regarding the marketing. What do you think? How today marketing is different from the previous marketing, the marketing we are doing earlier? Can anyone tell me? Don't say today we are doing the digital marketing. Earlier one is the not a digital marketing. That everyone knows. Today we are doing the online marketing. But what is the key difference you will get? Anyone? Anyone can tell me what is the key difference between the today marketing and the marketing we are doing the earlier? Okay, I will tell you. So guys, the marketing we are doing earlier, that is basically called a broadcast marketing, right? That is called a broadcast marketing, right? And the marketing we are doing nowadays, it's called a what we can say is a basically a personalized marketing, right? It is called a personalized marketing. What is the meaning of that personalized marketing? Let's say earlier you have a one product, right? You have a one product that is age of group between 20 to 25. And what we are doing earlier, we are showing that ad into the newspaper. So what do you think? The person who are going to read that newspaper is basically a 50 plus of age, right? So is there any use of this marketing? What do you think? Is there any way to convert the lead? Anything? I will say no, big no, right? Because marketing should be specific, right? Marketing should be specific. Then only the conversion of the lead should be more. But today we are going to be focused on a personalized marketing. Like if I have a product related to 20 to 25 age of group, I will try to show that ad to particular this age of group, not all that ad, because marketing have a cost. And when you are doing a business, the financial is matter, finance is matter, right? So it will count every rupees, right? So see, if you have a product between to 20 to 24 age of group, if you have a product between 20 to 24 age of group, right? And your this should be your target audience. This should be your target audience. Then only the chances of your selling of the product or selling a service is more in the 20 to 20 age of group. Chances is more, right? You can say chances is more here. I'm not saying like if you are showing that ad to in between 20 to 50, maybe your lead is more in this group, but the person who are going to purchase that product or service, that should be in this group. So why we are wasting so much of money to doing this kind of marketing? I will do this specific marketing and will try to generate more profit. What do you think, guys? What do you think, guys, about this? Guys, say yes, no. Why you are not responding?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the thing, right? So this is the way we are doing the marketing, right? Okay. Now I will explain you what exactly the Salesforce sales cycle. Salesforce sales cycle, right? Salesforce sales cycle. Salesforce sales cycle, right? What is it meaning? Salesforce sales cycle, right? How will start, right? So very first thing we will do for the Salesforce is campaign. It can be from the Salesforce or it can be from other party tool as well, right? Firstly, we'll do the campaign. What exactly the campaign is, what is this? Just forget about this thing. Just try to learn this cycle, right? We'll do first thing is campaign. In this campaign, we are doing some kind of marketing so that people get to know this kind of businesses exist in the market and they are selling some kind of service and some kind of products. So we'll first do campaign. From this campaign, we are trying to generate a lead. Let's say I will take example of this. Let's say you want to open a new university in a North Campus, NCR, Delhi NCR. You want to open a new university, right? So you will do campaign. In this campaign, you are sending thousands of email daily. And what is your target audience in this 1,000 student? Your target audience should be like the student who are just 12 pass out, and you are sending an email like we have a new brand college, we have this first class faculty in the college, and we have this first class placement. So you are showing some kind of advertisement for your university, right? So in this campaign, you are sending 1,000 plus of emails, right? In this 1,000 of emails, maybe you will get 200 revert back. You send it out 1000 of email. In this 1000 of email, you will get a 200 revert back. So now this 200 revert back is going to be lead for you. They are going to be a potential customer for your business, for your university, right? So now let's say the lead is created, the 200 lead is created. Now you have a sales team in your university, that salesperson A, salesperson B, and salesperson C, right? So what they will do is basically you will divide this, 70 lead to the each user, each salesperson. Now this A person duty is to convert this 70 lead into the end customer. What is the meaning of end customer? Whenever they are ready to purchase from you, whenever they are trying to, like you, they are ready, like they are happy with your product. So now they are going to purchase from you. And whenever in Salesforce, whenever there is a lead conversion, so what happening is, whenever lead conversion is there, account, contact, and opportunity being created. What is account, what is contact, what is opportunity, we'll see in this upcoming classes, right? But try to understand this. How we'll start? We will start from the campaign. From campaign, we are trying to create leads, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Right. From this campaign, we are generating a lead, right? And like once the lead is generated in the system, there is a sales team is there. Sales team try to work on that lead, and they will try to convert that lead into the end customer. And whenever this lead conversion is there, three types of record is being created in the Salesforce, that is account, contact, and opportunity. Are you getting it, guys, or not?
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is how it's work. First, we will run a campaign. From this campaign, we are trying to generate a lead. So like, to generating a lead into the system, every company, every business have a different strategy, right? One of the strategy, what is, like, you can say when you are visiting any kind of website, on that website they have some kind of form, first name, last name, email, and phone number. Until or unless you will not submit that form, you will not visit that website. You have seen this experience, right? So once you fill that form, you click on the hit the submit button. That data at the back end, it's created in the Salesforce. So there is a one way to create a lead. Maybe you have a form on your Facebook business account. Once your any customer will visit your Facebook page, and they have a form on that, first name, last name, email. So in that way they are creating a lead. So to creation a lead is a multiple ways. This is what I'm telling is a standard Salesforce cycle. We'll create a campaign. From campaign, we are trying to generate a lead. From that lead, once the lead is converted, there is account, contact, opportunity is being created in the Salesforce, right? So this is called a Salesforce sales cycle, right? Campaign, lead. What is this campaign? What is that lead? What is it account? What is it contact? What is opportunity? We will see in this upcoming classes, right? No worries. But let me know. Are you able to understand this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Anyone, any doubt as of now? Clear? Okay. So this is basically a Salesforce sales cycle: campaign, lead of conversion, this account, contact. And now, guys, what we will do is, first we'll create a Salesforce account. Anyone please share your screen? Who's going to share your screen and create a Salesforce account? Who's going to share the screen? Guys, please.
Today I'm connecting with my cell phone. Otherwise, I will share my screen.
Okay,
So, I
anyone?
mean, there is some issue with my laptop.
Anyone
And
can?
I am also having my Salesforce account. So
Okay.
that's why.
Anyone who don't have a Salesforce account and want to create the Salesforce account? Everyone have Salesforce account? Harshal, can you share your screen?
Sir, actually, I've connected with mobile. I'm in train.
Guys, let me tell you one thing and let me clear very one thing, right? Please try to connect with your laptop, right? Don't say I am connecting with phone, right? Because today you are connecting this class as a phone. Tomorrow might be you have some interview and you will join in the same way to your phone. And that time you will directly rejected from your interview. This is the habit, guys, right? This is a habit that we are cultivating from the starting. So please try to connect with your laptop, right? Because this is the IT class, right? This is not your institution class. This is not your like you are doing some kind of coaching and you are joining this just to come out. It's for you. It's basically a career oriented class, right? So don't do these things. Anyone can share screen. Raji, you can share your screen.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, please share your screen. I will make you as a host.
sure.
Share your screen. And let me tell you, in upcoming classes, you are the person who are going to share your screen. I will just starting just for explaining things. I will share. I will not do anything in the Salesforce. You guys are there who are just going to do the things. In that way, you can do practice. Okay, Raju, share your screen. I make you as a host. Mhm.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So do one thing. Share your type here Salesforce Developer Edition. Salesforce Developer Edition.
Okay.
Hmm. Click on the first link. Click on the first link. Developer Edition sign up. Okay. Okay. So give your first name, last name, email, and role. Everything you can give here. Role is you can give, and please give it that email ID that is there in your laptop, right?
Yeah.
Give it some
The
role.
role should be
Administrator. Okay. Give it some company name. You can give it any. You can give it. Okay. Okay, give it India and give it postal code. And give it username as it should be unique, so you can give it sfdc dot your name at the rate vertical what is your company name .com,
mhm.
right? .com. Okay, click on this checkbox. I agree to main service agreement and sign me up. Check this checkbox and sign me up. So, Rajiv, check your email. After 1 to 2 minutes, you will get a email from Salesforce, right? And just set your
Okay.
password. Please share that screen as well, your email screen. I just able to see this Salesforce almost there, right? You can share either a complete screen or tab, right? So that everyone get to know how to create a Salesforce account.
So,
You can reshare it by either entire screen or complete this Chrome tab. Yes, and now you will to see. Yeah, check your email. Just wait. It will take
yeah.
around 3 to 4 minutes, right? You will receive an email. From that email, you need to set up your password. So everyone, please follow the same step to create this Salesforce account, right? So this is the developer edition, or we have a different edition in the Salesforce, and this is one of the developer edition where we can freely. This is a free account. You can say it's a free account, and we can do everything and anything whatever we can do in the most topmost edition. But the limitation only there is we cannot have a more license here because Salesforce work on the license base and you need to purchase that license. And second thing is basically you can say it have a limitation for storing the data. Like you can store only particular kind of data here in this account, right? Guys, let me know one thing. Can we do this class at 7 p.m. if you all are available? 7 p.m. or someone have some issue at 7 p.m.
I mean, I'm okay. Or
Sir,
else,
sir, I
Huh?
came back to my I came back to my place from office almost 8 p.m.
Okay, then fine. Then we'll go for the 8 p.m. And what is the morning time you need to leave your office?
Yeah, so sir, 8:15.
8:15. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Okay, Harshal is saying 7 a.m. Okay, 7 a.m. The same email ID you have used, Rajiv?
yes, 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 yes.
Okay, just refresh this page again, mail ID.
Checking
You will
spam or something.
receive an email. No, it will come in the primary email. Don't worry.
Okay.
Can not be spam. Sometime it will take time. Sometime it will take time. No issue. Check this. Check this now. Maybe you will get. It's taking so much of time. Now refresh. Check your inbox in your inbox. Okay.
Yes, the same only.
Okay. Please check your verify your email ID. Are you sure that you are given that same email ID?
Yes, yes. But is there any option we can go back and check?
No. Here we cannot go back. Just check your email ID that you have checking the correct email ID.
It's the same only. Yeah.
Same one. Okay. Okay. Sometime it will take time. Received?
No.
Yes.
Yeah. Now it came.
Now okay, fine. Okay, just click on the verify account.
Yes.
Why it's showing that error in your email ID right corner?
Which one?
This one error in your email ID. Yes, this.
I don't know. Some singing is not happening, I think so.
Okay, fine. Okay, set your password here. Right. So guys, in that way you will receive an email from the Salesforce and just you need to set up your password, right? Confirm new password. And in what city you are born, just give it some answer there and change password. right? So it's your Salesforce Lightning platform. Yeah. Okay. So click on save here, save your password, and do one thing. In the right corner, you will have a setting button. Click on this setting button, right side.
Okay.
Click on the setting and click on the setup. So whenever you come on this page, the very first page, very first thing you need to do is click on the setting and setup. Okay.
Okay.
Setting and setup. Okay. So in that way, you are on the Salesforce screen. Fine. Let's say now, okay, now how you can log in, like in that, as of now, you have just received an email, and from there we redirect to this page. But how you can log in? Do one thing, click on the right corner, there is an image, right? Click on this and log out. Click on this and log out directly. Log out and open a new tab in Salesforce, in this Google Chrome. Open a new tab.
Okay. New tab.
Yeah, open a new tab and just give it some URL, login.salesforce.com. Login.salesforce.com. Right? Login.salesforce.com. So this is the login URL of Salesforce, right? Login.salesforce.com. So just put username here. Username you can copy from your email that you have received. sfdc.rajiv, right? Something we have put. This is the
Yes.
username, right? You can take it, copy this, and okay, and password, give it password, whatever you have set, and just click on the login. Login, right? So in that way, you can click on save, and you can click on I don't want to register. No, I just click on I don't want to register my phone. Otherwise, it will ask every time OTP,
Okay.
right? So in that way, we can directly log into the Salesforce, right? So this is basically a developer edition org, right? I will frequently use this word org. What is the meaning of org? This is basically an account. We will say in the Facebook account, WhatsApp account. I will say this is Salesforce org, right? Okay, you can stop your sharing and make me as a host. Okay, I will share my
Yeah.
screen.
Yeah.
Okay.
It is a login.salesforce.com. Am I right?
Yeah, it's a
The URL.
login.salesforce.com, right? Are you able to see my screen? Right? So this
Yes.
is the different editions we have with the Salesforce, right? Starter, professional, enterprise, and unlimited. And you can see, guys, the cost. In the starter version, we have a $25, 25 USD per user per month. It's a cost of user per user. I'm saying, like, this is the company who are using the Salesforce CRM, and they have a sales user, a Salesforce user, sorry, sales user A, sales user B, sales user B. So both, all three candidates, all three users need a license to run the Salesforce, and that is the licensing cost according to the edition they are using, the business are using. Starter edition, professional edition, enterprise edition, and unlimited edition, right? So let's say if you have a business and using the starter edition, you need to pay $25 per user per month to the Salesforce. In the professional edition, the $75. In the enterprise edition, $150. Unlimited is a 300 USD per dollar, right? And that is the features things we have with the every edition. So basically, that starter edition is only used for the data management, to store the data, and just for the integration with the Gmail and Outlook, right? You can't do anything more that in this starter edition. So this automations, report dashboard, forecasting is not possible with the starter. So how you can suggest like which edition you need to take? It's completely depend on the client requirement. Like one of the client is there who have a requirement like that. Who have a requirement like that. What is the requirement basically? You can say I have a requirement to this automate this sales process, right? So that is not possible with the starter edition. You need to purchase the enterprise edition for that, right? So it's completely depend what business requirement is. Then only you can consult them what is the best feature and what is the best addition for your business, right? That is the thing. Okay, and the addition that I just logged in, that is called basically a developer addition, right? Okay. What we can do is, okay, let's start, guys. Let's start now. So we will start from the very basic, that is called the object. What is the object in Salesforce? Anyone know anything about the what is object in Salesforce? What
Sir,
is object?
tables are known as object in the Salesforce.
Tables are known as the object in Salesforce. Okay. Anyone want to add something in this definition? Ankit is saying tables are the object in the Salesforce. Anything else?
I think table means, I mean, if I'm not wrong, it allows to store some data, right, for a specific company,
Exactly.
for an
Exactly.
organization.
It allow us to store some data. Okay. Okay, guys, do one thing. Join this call again because we will be going to disconnect in 4 minutes, right? Or just a minute, because just stay there. We'll left whenever it's done, right? Okay, I will tell you what object is. Object is nothing. It's kind of database table. It's a database table in Salesforce. It's a database table in Salesforce, right? It's a database table in Salesforce. What is the meaning of database table? Like Salesforce database store the data in a tabular form, right? As Ankit said, right? This is a table. Object is nothing but it's a table in Salesforce, right? So how the table is formed? How the table is formed? Let's say I want to store the. I will compare this Salesforce object to the Google Sheet. Let's say I want to store the data of my students, right? So what I want to store some like that. I want first name, right? I want last name. I want email of my students. Email of my students. I want address of my student, like that, right? Right? In that way. Now what I'm doing is I'm filling some data. I'm filling some data. I will put here value 1 and I give it some name here. And this is my first record. I'm putting data here second and this is my second record. I'll put data here third and this is my third record, right? This is the fourth and this is the fourth record for me, right? So database table is nothing but it's a kind of combination of row and column, right? Where row you can say is a data, it's a value, and column is basically on the database table, it's what exactly you want to fill, what exactly you want to store. I know I want to store the data of my students, but what exactly of the students? I want to store the first name, so that is first name is one of the column for me. I want to store the last name, so that last name is one of the column for me. I want to store an email, that is one of the column for me. I want to store the address, that is one of the column for me. So these are nothing but these all are the columns. This first name, last name, email, address are the columns, right? And if I put some data here, let's say I will store the data here, like I will put Akash first name and I will put the last name as Singh, and I will put this email as akash@gmail.com, something like that, and we'll put this XYZ, right? XYZ Noida sector 15, right? I'll put this address, correct? So this is the one of the record for me. So in Salesforce language, is this object is nothing but the kind of database table we have. And the database table is basically a combination of row and column, where row is a record. Row is basically a value. In Salesforce language, in technical language, what I will say is this is the record. And column is basically what data, what things you want to store in this database table. Let's say I want to store the first name. So first name is basically a column. It's basically a field in technical language, Right, guys, rejoin this call. It's going to be disconnect.